Hello everyone, we are on step 48 of learning CSS colors by building a set of colored markers on freeCodeCamp.org. The HSL color model, or hue, saturation, and lightness, is another way to represent colors. It accepts three values: a number from 0 to 360 for hue, a percentage from 0 to 100 for saturation, and a percentage from 0 to 100 for lightness. So, saturation is the intensity of a color from 0% or gray to 100% for pure color. Lightness is how bright a color appears. In the blue CSS rule, use the HSL function to change the background color property to pure blue. So, we're going to use our HSL like this, and it accepts, so we're going to use 240 for the hue, and we're going to use 100% for saturation, and then we're going to use the lightness is going to be at 50%, like that. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.